Final torque kuya.
Yeah. Welcome back to the channel, Sagitnet 2. A little bit of our progress on the V20 VTEC build. Well, this is Jer's project.
Welcome back.
Yeah, for the second day he came back and he wanted to learn some more. Our plan for today is get Red put on his new legs, which is this one here. I'm not sponsored by this product or anything like that, but I think it is much better than what you have here, right?
Yes.
A no-name brand.
It's just a coil sleeve, but it's not branded.
Everyone knows how to install one of these, so we'll put it on a time lapse. What we're gonna try to capture is the stance.
Yes.
Right? That is what everyone wants to see.
The height of it.
Right. The height. So right now, as you can see, check how much finger you could put on there, man.
I think I can put any finger on this one.
What about this side? This side. That way, that would be your gauge.
No, I
Okay.
can't put anything.
All right. So hopefully, this will give you the stance that you have. But man, that suspension is trash, dude.
Yeah.
What you got on there now? Sorry to say. I mean, it's clunking and everything. Every time I jacked it up,
It's like,
a piece of rubber came off.
oh.
Yeah, that's what we are looking for, is the stance. And if we have the time, I will teach you how to do a quick alignment.
Oh, okay.
Because you said that this car really needed an
Yes,
alignment.
That's a toe out.
Okay, so I'm gonna fill you in on how to do a DIYer with the strings. Of course, the string is not to be replaced by the one that you could in the shop, the digital one, of course. But hey, even though it's primitive ways of doing it, any racer team out there, they are using the string.
Oh.
So I mean, it works.
It works.
Yeah, and it will take you some time to master it. It will take, I mean, it took me a while. I'm no expert, but pretty soon, if you do so much, then you don't need to pay $100 to get it alignment. But of course, it's up to you. And I'll try to see what we can do. Okay? And that is the episode for today. Suspension, get it to the correct ride height. And I don't think we can make this thing to run today. No. So we just got done putting the valve cover and the intake manifold, and I put on the inexpensive engine harness. I know some of you have said that this is trash, but we'll see how it goes. I don't know why you get this one to begin with. So
That harness is I got it from my tuner. So he has an extra like this harness, so I just bought it for a cheaper price.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll give it a try. Like I have said on my episode that for DIYers, you can make it better. Yeah, you got what you paid for.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, good thing I put this clear tape on there. This thing would have been gone. It would have been gone, dude. Yeah, you'll be blind leading a blind.
Yeah.
You don't know where to put the connectors. All right, enough of talking, and we'll just change the suspension.
Perfect stance, yeah.
We don't need top hats anymore.
Yeah.
Huh?
I like the height. It looks
It's
nice.
much lower.
Yeah.
What about the other side?
Ah, let me see. Yeah.
Yeah, it's even better.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's good. It's good, yeah.
Jump
Wow.
on, jump on it. See if you could shake it. Yeah, you still have some play.
Yeah, yeah. It's good.
Right on.
But this one is okay too, yeah.
Huh?
Okay na okay. It's okay. Wow.
Well, let's put the back, right?
Yeah, yeah. So nice.
We can't stop now.
I thought we were going to put a top hat on top.
Yeah, because we tried it earlier and we already bottomed out. I said, man. Then he thought about putting a top hat, but all it did is just play around with the. He had the what do you call that? The
Preload.
preload too much.
Yeah.
So I just turned it like one turn, and there it is. Huh?
Nice.
Yeah.
I thought it's gonna be like 2 finger or 1 finger.
Well,
Well,
it will be lower than that once it gets settled. All right, we'll put the back.
okay, yeah.
It's not bad, man. Yeah, we got it adjusted a little bit, the back, so that's how it looks. It could use a little bit more, I think. Once it rolled off, I think, back and forth, that thing will settle down even more. But it never get old, dude.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna title this "It Never Get Old." Yeah, just unbelievable. Yeah, yeah. I've lowered so many cars before, but every time it gets on the ground, it's unreal, man. Yeah, you do have an eye, man.
Yes,
Yeah, you do
I
have
like
a
it,
vision. Yeah,
This is what I like it. Yeah. Like the height, the style.
the stance.
Yeah.
Cool. Again, this is where I end this video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. And the B20 VTEC, well, I hope I'll get it started soon. There's a few things that I need to fix in there. Other than that, it should be ready. Hopefully you will get lucky on that harness.
Oh yeah, that's other thing. Yeah.
We'll still see.
The harness.
Bye everyone. It's the next day. I thought I can include the part where I'm going to show Jer how to do a quick alignment on this one, or toe setting. But it was kind of really hot yesterday and it was kind of late. We decided to go ahead and call it the day. But I thought it was like back in the 90s. This is the setup that he's got. Something that we do back in the day. Cutting the coil. And it's already 2024, this year. It's really good that I have that coilovers come in handy, because this thing can really use some replacement. Yeah, remember, he never had this car for the last 3 years, so it's been a while. Well, at least this is period correct, Tokiko. But we'll find out how's the ride on that coilovers. If anyone using that rod coilovers, yeah, feel free to comment how's your ride. And also I lost all the footage where we after we got done with the rear, lowered it, so I don't have the element of surprise anymore, you know. Yeah, that's too bad, man. It's a good thing I made another one, and at least I captured or documented that part. Alright, this is where I conclude this video. Thank you all for watching. Yeah, like the golden era.